what are you making today?
Well, I'll make some one appetizer. There we call it
Okay.
in Japanese Gyu Tataki. Salt and pepper.
अच्छा,
We have here.
so salt and pepper से हमने
Yeah.
जो है ना इसको season करना है beef को.
All right.
So is it like a fresh meat or
Yes, yes, very fresh
All
meat.
right.
Yeah. The standard part. Salt and pepper. Massage on it
All right.
to make the ingredients goes inside. All right.
Perfect.
And just
I think it will be the beef.
yes, the grill.
Oh,
We have
okay.
started
Now we
the
have to grill it.
Done.
Done?
Right.
Perfect.
Just brush this down. The Gyu inside,
All right.
stuck inside. All right, there we go.
सिर्फ salt and pepper से हमने इसको season किया है.
Still that.
And make sure करें कि आपका beef की जो quality है बड़ी अच्छी हो.
See that? Oh.
Do you need a tong?
Actually, this is only a seared.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
No need to cook inside all the meat. We serve this one raw.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Just to close
The juices and everything.
yeah. So not
To
going
make
out.
sure
Yeah.
कि सारे juices अंदर ही रहें. And इसको वैसे सर्व raw किया जाता है. ये अंदर से pink थोड़ा होगा जब इसको काटेंगे, right?
Exactly right. Yeah.
Alright. लेकिन ये कच्चा नहीं होगा. Eventually वैसे tenderloin आप जब भी पकाते हैं make sure करें कि इसको ज़्यादा overcook भी ना करें. Like 2 minutes तक आपने इसको पकाना है. वरना overcook हो जाएगा. वैसे ये बहुत जल्दी बन जाता है, मुंह में फौरन घुल जाएगा.
All right. Done. There's only seared. Very simple. Look at that.
Alright. It's done.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Must be this one. We're gonna roll it by plastic to make it thick.
With the cling.
Yeah, with the
All right.
cling. So now we will become like this. So we have to
Oh,
put-
okay.
because
Sorry, done.
if you cut this one, we will,
A little wiggly, right?
yeah, this
All right.
one is you can have to make it
पहले से
frozen.
prepare करके लेकर आए हैं.
All right, there we go. We have to slice it thinly sliced, not too thin.
Just like pepperoni. No?
Yes, actually.
All right.
Yeah. So there's some plastic inside on top, so you have to
Oh,
take care
okay.
of this.
Perfect.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, okay. Now people will know what this is because you actually explained the whole process
Sauce?
with the sauce. The secret sauce.
Yeah.
Amazing. It's like totally dipped into the sauce.
Yeah.
Fried onions, right?
Crispy onion on top. Some crispy nuts.
For
And
some
crisp.
crispiness, more crispiness, right?
Yes. We will finish this one. We have
Alright.
some crispy and crunchy nuts. You have to break it.
These are roasted, right?
Yes.
All right. Oh, okay.
All right. Done.
Spring onions भी ऐड किए हैं.
Gyu Tataki, Yota Toki. अज्जा बीफ रान का गोश्त 80 ग्राम, क्रिस्पी प्याज 20 ग्राम, क्रिस्पी नट्स 20 ग्राम, गोमा डियर सॉस 60 ग्राम, नमक काली मिर्च हस्बे ज़रूरत,